Hi team, good morning everyone. See team, in yesterday's session we completed yesterday we completed joins we completed, and today we try to discuss about DCL commands. DCL means data control language. Data control language. Data control language. So the data control language main functionality to control the data in between users. To control the data in between users, that is called DCL, guys, data control language. Now, it has two commands. One is grant and revoke. The first we will discuss about grant. First one is grant command, first one. So this command main functionality used to grant the permissions. Used to grant the permissions. Grant the permissions or privileges on database objects to different users. Used to grant the permissions or privileges, both are same, on database objects. Database objects means we know already tables, views, indexes, sequences, all these are. Okay? That is used to grant the permissions or privileges on database objects to different users. So what is syntax? Grant permission or privileges on DB object to user 1, user 2, and so on. Grant permission or privileges on database objects to user 1, user 2, and so on. And so on. So you can grant permission to single user or multiple users also we can grant. The multiple users is optional. Okay, fine. This is second one is revoke. Revoke means to get back the permissions. Use it to revoke or get back. Get back the given permissions or privileges. What is syntax? The syntax is very simple, guys. Instead of here you can write revoke, revoke permission privileges in database objects. From we write down from user 1, user 2. Now, before going to discussion about this grant and revoke examples, because first of all, you need to create one user. Why you are creating the user means the grant and revoke main functionality to grant the permissions in between users, right or wrong? We have already one user, ORA7AM. Now, first I want to create one new user. Okay. After that, I try to grant the permissions to that newly created user. So, how to create a new user? First, to create a new user, we know already to create a new user with DBA permissions. To create a new user with DBA permissions. That is, guys. Okay. To create a new user with the DBA permissions. So connect to DBA user first of all. Username, system, password, server. System, server. First, I log on to my DBA user. Now here I create a user. Create user. My user. Identified by password is Tiger. Now user is created. After that, I grant the permissions. Grant connect comma resource to my user. Yes, user is created and grant the permissions also. Right, guys? Okay. Now, in this user, I switch on to that user. I switch to my user. By Tiger is the password. Set line 100. Set page size 100. Set num 6. Select start from tab. Is that any tables are available? No tables. Because we are in my user. Just now it is created, guys. My user is created newly. Okay. Right. In this scenario, my user asks the permission from ORA7AM. Sir, please grant your table. Sir, please grant your table. Yes. So now, just I minimize this. Okay. Yeah, this is one window, guys. This window belongs to my user. Okay. I log into another user or regular user. ORA7AM by Tiger. Here also set time 100, set paces 100, set num 6. It's in 2 user. So we are in 7AM user. Right. Okay. Clear, na? Here I open right now 2 windows. I open the 2 windows. One window is for ORA my user, another window for regular user ORA7AM. 2 users here, 2 windows here I open. Now my user asks permission to ORA7AM, sir, please grant your employee table because my user has no database tables. In this scenario, he grant the permissions. Grant select on. Select is the permission or select is the privilege on database object. What is the database object? EMP. To which user? ORA, ORA, sorry, my user. ORA 7am user, he grant his employee table to my user. Yes, grant succeeded. Now he can access select star from EMP. Is it executed? No. Why? Why it is not executed? Because select star from EMP means it displays my user's employee table. Is it my user's employee table? No. Temporarily he grant the permission. So how he can access now? Username dot ORA 7am dot EMP. This is the query. ORA 7am dot EMP. Green color. Green color. Okay, guys. Right. See, guys. Yeah, now here, yes, it displays ORA 7am dot EMP he can access. Because he got the permission from 7am user, that's the username dot table. Okay, now my user, he tried to perform update command. Update ORA 7am dot EMP. That's salary equal to salary plus 100 rupees. He incremented all employee salaries. 100 rupees. Which employee table? ORA 7am employee table. But actually, see, my user have any permission to update employee table? No, because he grant only one permission, that is select only. So ORA 7am user, he don't have permission to update the table. See, we got error. Insufficient privileges. Yes, exactly. Because just he grant only select only, na? In this scenario, whenever he grant update on EMP to my user. Now he grant the permission, update permission granted. Observe this in this ORA 7am. Now here, port and records are updated. Port and records are updated, guys. This is okay. This is a grant permissions. So if you want to grant all permissions, simply you can write grant all on EMP to my user. Grant all on EMP to my user. Okay, guys. Right. All means all permission granted. Select to insert to update to delete also granted it. Next one is revoke. Revoke. Select on EMP from my user. From my user. Revoked. Which permission revoked? Select permission. Now he tried to select. Again, he got insufficient privileges. Just now he revoked. Na? When the permission is revoked, not possible to perform select command because he revoked the permissions. Okay, guys, this is the example of grant and revoke. Here you can grant the permission to either single user or multiple users also you can grant. Single user or multiple users also you can grant at a time, no issue. Okay, right. Right, guys. So here what I discuss, I place in this notepad. First to my user. Here I don't select start from EMP. Here he got error. Error, no row select. No rows select. At that time, ORA 7 AM, grant select on EMP to my user. ORA 7 AM user, grant the permission. Next to my user. My user, select start from ORA 7 AM dot EMP. Now execute it. Now execute it. Okay. Next to my user. Update ORA 7 AM dot EMP. It's at sal equal to salary plus 100 rupees. What he got? Error, no? Error. Insufficient cumulants. At the time, ORA 7 AM user grant update on EMP to my user. Then now query is executed successfully. Query is executed successfully. A user hit to perform this. Okay. So to grant all permissions, Okay. Next one is revoke, guys. ORA 7 AM. Revoke. Select on EMP from my user. So my user try to perform select command. Now error messages. Insufficient. Right. Now to see the granted permissions. Select start from user underscore tab underscore privileges underscore name. Where you can access. Okay. To see the received permissions. Select from user tab underscore privileges underscore REC. That is called REC. Okay, guys. This is. These are. Right, guys. Next one is fifth type of SQL sublanguage is TCL. Transaction control. Transaction control. By using this language commands, we can control transactions in between users. By using this language commands, we can control transactions in between users. That is. By using this language commands, we can control transactions in between users. Sorry. We can by using this language, we can control the transactions on DML transactions. Sorry. DML transactions. So what are the transactions we can control? The transactions means daily we are doing some PhonePe transactions, Google Pay transactions, bank transactions, right around e-commerce transactions we can do. Right around. All these are called as transactions. These transactions inside which commands are executed. If you want to any deposit amount, which command is executed? Insert command. If you want to withdraw, update command, insert command is executed. Right or wrong? Update means you can manage the balance. Insert means transaction is inserted into transaction table. Right or wrong? So if you want to do any deposit or withdraw, or if you want to do any PhonePe transaction, Google Pay transaction, or else if you try to buy any item in e-commerce sites, inside that only DML commands are executed. Right or wrong? Right. So we can control that type of DML transactions. We can control by using TCL, transaction control language commands. Okay, guys. All right. So it has three commands. One is it has three commands, guys. So one is commit. Second one is commit save point. Third one is rollback. These are the three transactions: commit to, save point to, rollback. What is the commit, guys? Commit means this command used to save DML transactions. This command used to save DML transactions into database permanently. Like in MS Word, we can write save command. If you want to save the document, then you can click on the save, Control S. But here in your database now, if you want to save the commands, if you want to save your transactions now, commit is required. Suppose I inserted some records. I want to save these records in my database permanently. After inserted by 50 records or 1000 records, you can do the commit. Then your records are permanently stored. That is called a commit. So there are two types of commits. One is implicit commit. Second one is explicit. This is important, guys. One is implicit commit, guys. The next one is explicit commit. What is the meaning of implicit? Implicit means done by database. So implicit commit means it is executed by variably, automatically. Examples means commit is executed automatically, guys. Commit is executed automatically executed. Any examples? DDL commands. Which are DDL commands? Create, alter, rename, truncate, drop. Right or no? These are DDL commands. So once you create the table is created, but internally commit is executed. Internally commit is executed. I perform drop command. We know drop command functionality, delete all records permanently with the structure also. Right or wrong? Yes. Because commit is executed. Right. Explicit commit. This is performed by user explicit. We can perform, sir. We can perform. User explicitly can perform. Any examples? DML. To perform any DML operations by you. After that, if you want to save the transactions, then you can write save or commit. Just now discuss. Suppose I inserted 50 records, power gone. Your system is shut down. Then you can lose your 50 records, you can lose. Because those records are not committed. Unfortunately, system is shut down. Then what happens? You lost your 50 records. In this scenario, after performed inserted commands, finally you can write commit. Not only finally, in between also you can do commit, 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 commit. Insert is the DML command. Update also, guys. Delete also. That's when the starting sessions I discussed the delete command definition. It deletes all records or specified records temporarily, because you deleted some records, you deleted. We have one command is there. We discuss now rollback. Once you execute the rollback command, automatically your records are come back. Yes, 100%. That's why delete command delete the records temporarily, not permanently. If you want to delete the permanently, then after delete command is executed, we can do the commit. Then those records are permanently deleted. That is case. Okay. That is DML transactions example. This is the important entry question, guys. Which are example for implicit commit and which are example for explicit commit? These. Second one is save point. Used to create a bookmark. Used to create a bookmark. Means it creates some mark in between. So syntax. save point name. Save point name. That is enough, guys. Right. We discussed one example. Next one is rollback. Used to undo DML transactions. Used to undo DML transactions. But rollback is every time not executed, guys. Every time rollback is not undo. Rollback means undo. Every time we cannot roll back. We have some restrictions. After commit, whatever DML transactions are executed, all are undo. Before commit transactions, we cannot undo, guys. Before commit transactions, we cannot undo. After commit only, we can undo. That is. Right, guys. Suppose here I executed select star from EMP. 14 rows selected. In my database table right now, I have 14 rows. Okay. Now, delete from EMP where employee number is equal to $1,000. Delete from EMP where employee $1,000. Record delete. After that, I create one bookmark. Save on S1. After that, I try to perform insert command or update. All employees salary incremented 1,000 rupees. After that, I create one more bookmark. I insert one. Right, guys. Observe these transactions. This is a normal employee database table, 14 rows selected. I create one bookmark. In this S1 bookmark, I can perform delete command. Next S2, update command. S3, insert command. Okay, all commands are executed. In SafeBond S1, which transactions are there? Delete transaction is there. In S2, update transaction there. S3, insert transaction there. Observe this here, I am performing only DML transactions only. Don't perform any other DDL transactions. Don't perform. Okay. After that, I write down select start from empty. Again, I have 14 rows. Why, sir? Because one record deleted. Na? Okay, one record deleted, but again one record inserted also. Right or wrong? One record deleted, again one record inserted. Na? That is 14 rows select. Here, I can perform rollback. Roll back to S2 iRider. Roll back to S2 iRider. Okay. So roll back to S2 means up to S2 transactions are undo. Rollback means undo. Na? Up to save point S2 transactions are undo. Up to save point S2 means so not like S1, S2 guys. It follows bottom to top approach. Bottom to top approach it follows. That means S3, S2 transactions are undo. These two transactions are undo. These two are undo. That is. Okay. Now, is here, note up to save point S2 transactions are undo. Up to save point S2 means S3 and S2 transactions are undo. Means insert command is undo. One record inserted, na, that is gone. I updated all employees 1,000 rupees. That is also minus. Because both are undo. These transactions are undo. After that, once you try to select command, we have 13 rows only. Why? Insert command is undo, na? Yes. Now in live, S1 is there, right or wrong? Because S3, S2 both are destroyed. Okay. Okay. And both save points are destroyed. Right. After that, I can do commit suppose. Commit. Commit means note. Once commit is executed, whatever save points are there in live, those are destroyed. All are destroyed. And inside the save points, whatever transactions are done, all are saved in database. Simple guys. What I write down here, once the commit is executed, then what happens now? First S1 is destroyed. And inside this S1, I delete one record now. That record is permanently deleted. We cannot undo. We cannot undo because commit is executed. Here delete. Okay, guys. This is commit. After commit is executed, suppose I try to perform roll back to S1. We got error. Error never established. This is guys. Okay. So these are the examples, guys. These are the examples. I will show that practically, guys. Okay, one by one. We have 14 rows, right? After that, stay point. Stay point, yes. Delete from EMP, where employee number equal to $double. Stay point, yes, too. Update EMP, set salary equal to salary plus 1000 rupees. I create one more save point. Save point S3. Insert into EMP of employee number, e-name, salary, DPTNO. Just I'm inserting data only 4 columns. Employee number 1001, employee name, salary, and department. Okay. Now I check the table, guys. One record inserted. All salaries increment 1000 rupees. Previously we have 3-2. Now it is 4-2. 1000 rupees incremented. And one record also deleted. Which record? Dawson update record is deleted. Is it Dawson update record is available? Not available. The record deleted. Okay, guys. Okay. S1 delete is there. S2 update is there. S3 delete insert is there. Now roll back to S2. Roll back to S2 means insert transaction is undo, means this record is deleted. Already 1000 rupees incremented na here. That one also undo because it becomes 1000. It becomes 1800, just like one. Check it out. Yeah, 1000, 1800, right or wrong? Okay, 100 rupees is incremented because the update command is undo and the record also removed. Okay. So S2, S3 both are undo. In live, S1 is there. Here I can do the commit. After commit, I can perform rollback to S1 suppose. Yeah, we got error. Rollback now were established in this session. This is guys. Once the commit is executed, not direct commit, sir. You can perform any DDL commands also. You to perform any create or insert or update also. Sorry, to perform any create or alter or truncate or drop. That is. Right, guys? Yeah, I can copy the total image. Okay, guys. This is a practical example. Here I write down. The practical example. These are the commit and rollback. So rollback is executed only after commit only. Okay. See example, guys. Insert. I perform insert command. Update command. Okay. Commit. Delete command. Rollback. Which is undo, guys? Which one is undo? Insert update, delete, all are undo na. Only insert update is undo na. Only delete is undo. Which mean is undo? Yes, exactly, Prashant. Only delete is undo. Yes. Because commit is executed, right? Okay. So before the transaction, we cannot undo, sir. After commit, whatever DML transactions are there, all are undo. Okay. One more example, guys. Insert, update, create, alter, update, delete, rollback. Which are undo? Which transactions are undo? Insert, update, create, alter, update, delete, rollback. Which are undo? All are undo? All are undo? See, I discussed already. Either implicit or explicit commit. Okay. See, rollback is executed. Rollback. After commit, whatever transaction. After commit means either implicit or explicit. Either implicit or explicit, anyone. That is. All are undo. Okay. Commit means any type of commit is commit only, na? Either implicit or explicit, binary, finally, for commit is commit only. Now, tell me, guys, which are undo? Which are undo? Only DMLs. Guys, observe this. Insert update DMLs. Yes, exactly, Prashant. Insert update is DMLs. Okay, next what I do here? Create. Create is which command? DDL or DML? DDL. DDL command means automatically command is executed, na? Yes. Alter also DDL. Command also execute means up to here command is executed. Rollback means these two only undo. Update to delete. Only both are undo. Okay. Insert, create, update, commit, drop, insert, rollback, update. Okay. Update, insert, commit, update, rollback. Which are undo, guys? Which transactions are undo? See, guys, if anybody asking this type of question, simply you can go through this bottom to top approach. That is good. And within fraction of seconds, you can get the answer. Go to bottom top approach, you can check. Okay, now don't check top to bottom. Top to bottom means sometimes we have the confusing. Right or wrong? Okay. So bottom top approach only your rollback is executed, na? Yes. Yes, Lakshmi, what you are saying, that is correct. Anybody can? Anybody can? Go to check this bottom to top approach, which transactions are undo. Simple, guys. Simple, guys. Update only. Update, before update, what we have? Commit, na? Commit means don't consider above all. What are the transactions you are doing? Don't consider. Commit means commit. Committed all. Okay. In between commit is the no problem, but commit means what happens now? Commit is commit, na? After commit, which DML transaction you performed? Update. Only that one is undo. Right or wrong? Okay, generally what are thinking? Okay, insert, create, okay, command is executed, update, command is executed, again command is executed, insert, rollback. Okay, this is rollback. Okay, and update or insert command is don't think like just you go through that bottom to top. Which transactions are undo means generally we can say update command transactions undo as well as insert also undo. Why sir insert undo? After drop command, insert rollback I updated. Rollback means this command also undo, this command also undo. Okay, guys. This is. Suppose once I remove this rollback, for example, insert and update commands are undo. Okay. Now, once I remove this rollback here, then only update command is undo. This is all update command is undo, guys. Okay. Right. Right, guys. These are the total DML transactions, DML, TCL and DCL transactions. Next one is TCL completed. Next one is DB objects. Database objects we discuss, guys. What is the database object means? A component automatically registered in system software is called as DB objects. Examples: tables, views, indexes, sequences, synonyms, roles, etc. All these are tables, views, indexes, sequences, synonyms, roles, etc. All these are all DB objects. From some DB objects we know already. Tables we know, sequences we know, right? Remaining objects we'll discuss, guys, one by one. Okay? Fine. Any doubts in today's session, guys? Understand? No? Pure Pushpesh, sure. Here I included DML also, guys. I included DML also. Okay, Pushpesh, right. Okay, guys.
Recording stopped.